Welcome to our math test review for pre-algebra. We're trying out some new technology in the classroom today, so just bear with me in case we have any technical difficulties. We're going to bring up the test that we just completed so that everybody can go through and pick out their mistakes, and I can get you started on a review. So we're going to pull our test up to our review screen so that you can see, we can share the information, and I can work through the first few problems with you. So we're going to start out with number 1. We're going to find the perimeter and area of each figure. Notice it says over here to find the perimeter and area of each figure. That's instructions that you're supposed to read. So those are pretty important. Some of you are finding the perimeter and not the area. So make sure you're paying attention to that. And I'm going to draw our picture a little bigger so that we can see it together. We have 6 feet on the end of our rectangle and we have 15 feet as a length. So area and perimeter. Area is what? It is length times width. So to find the area of this rectangle, we're going to take 15 and multiply it by 6, and that's going to give us a 90, and that's going to be feet. Is that going to be feet or feet squared? Feet squared, remember, because this is one length of dimension. This is the second length, so feet times feet is feet squared. So there's our area. If we want to find the perimeter, I'm going to redraw our shape a little bigger. Think this process through. We have a 15 and a 6, and it's a rectangle, so this end is a 6, and the top is a 15. So to find the perimeter, we need the what? 2 times the length plus 2 times the width, correct? So our length is 15. So we're going to do 2 times 15 plus 2 times our width, which is 2 times 6. 2 times 15 is 30. 2 times 6 is 12. 30 plus 12 is 42. That's going to be in feet, not feet squared, because we only added dimensions, right? We didn't multiply the dimensions together, we only added them. So that's going to be simply in feet. Okay? Does that make sense? All right. I'm getting faster at this. We're going to look at number 2. So number 2 is a triangle. The biggest obstacle with our triangles is what? Perimeter's not bad, right? We just add all our sides up. So that's a 6. Plus an 8, plus a 10. We add all those 3 numbers together, and we're going to get a 24. Our unit of measure is in meters, so our perimeter is 24 meters. That's not the hard part, right? The hard part for a triangle is our area. Remember, it is 1/2 base times height. So we have to find our base, which is going to be our 8 over here. So we have 1/2 of 8 times our height, which if we look again, that's our 6, right? The 2 lines that make the right triangle. Half of 8 is 4. 4 times 6 is 24. This is in meters squared. Remember, dimension of meters times meters gives us meters squared. Okay? That'll get you started, and then we'll come back and check the rest of these together.